Hi, thank you for tuning in. We wanted to go over a few things with you today, including the CDC's latest recommendation on wearing a cloth mask while out in public. With me today is Captain Brian Peck from the Plymouth Fire Department, who will go over the use of those masks.
Let me start off by saying that the use of the cloth mask in public should not replace the recommendation to maintain 6-foot social distancing. The idea behind these masks is to slow the spread of the virus. Studies have shown that people who are asymptomatic can still spread the virus through coughing, sneezing, and speaking. So the cloth mask should fit snugly on your face. It should be secured with loops or ties behind your ears, and it should be made from multiple layers. You also need to make sure that you're laundering and machine drying your mask routinely. Keep in mind that when you're putting the mask on and off, you want to avoid touching your face, mouth, or your nose. And last, we want to make sure that any surgical masks or N95 masks are reserved for healthcare workers.
Thank you, Brian. We also realize that although it's not recommended, some people are wearing gloves while out in public. And Brian's going to go over the proper use of those gloves.
So if you are going to wear gloves, make sure that you avoid cross-contamination when you're removing them. So the first step that you want to do is pinch the glove with one hand, slide your finger underneath the other glove, remove them like that, and then into a trash can. Always make sure that you're washing your hands frequently for 20 seconds or using a hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol.
We also wanted to talk about the use of the 911 system, when to call and when not to call. Brian?
The recommendation is that people who are experiencing mild symptoms of COVID-19 manage those symptoms at home if possible. The mild symptoms include cough, fever, fatigue, body aches. We want you to monitor those symptoms carefully and closely. Contact your doctor if you are experiencing those symptoms and follow their instructions. If they advise you to call 911, do so. Also be on the lookout for emergency warning signs that things are worsening. Those signs would include trouble breathing, persistent chest pain or pressure, altered mental status, or confusion.
If you have questions about your symptoms, you can call Spear Hospital. They have a 24/7 hotline for COVID at 238-6464. At this time, our supply of personal protective equipment is adequate. We continue to receive from the Strategic National Stockpile. However, if we do experience a surge, those supplies will run thin. For general questions in New Hampshire, you can also dial 211. If you're a business owner with questions, a good website is newhampshireeconomy.com. And if you're in need of financial assistance, please visit newhampshireeasy.gov. Of course, you're also welcome to call any of our town offices, including the town hall at 536-1731. Please take care and continue to use social distancing and practice personal hygiene. Thank you.